watching WGAL News 8.
All right, as we check out the weather rundown, you can expect gusty and blustery conditions not only today, but tomorrow as well. Winds are going to be quite strong. Near or below average temperatures, so we say goodbye to the 50s for a while, and it does stay relatively quiet. Our next storm system will come in Friday evening into the start of the weekend. So your forecast for today calls for the clouds that are around this morning and some flurries and sprinkles to move on out of here. We'll see brightening skies this afternoon. Temperatures, though, in the mid 40s, but with those gusty winds feeling quite chilly outside. Partly cloudy this evening, still quite windy, and temperatures fall back to around 36. Mostly cloudy tonight. Still looking at wind gusts close to 30 miles per hour. Temperatures fall back into the upper 20s and low 30s. And tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny skies, still gusty near 30 miles per hour. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. Outside right now in our Lancaster Skycam, we have a lot of low-level clouds still hanging overhead. It is quiet, though. Temperatures sitting at 37 degrees in Lancaster and York and Harrisburg. We have 38 in Carlisle, Lewistown coming in at 30 degrees. And wind gusts not reporting any right now, but as we head into the afternoon, they will start to increase. And you can see near 4 o'clock, we're going to have wind gusts close to 40 miles per hour. Still windy and breezy overnight tonight, and then through the day tomorrow, again, back up to near 30, 32 miles per hour. So certainly a couple windy days in store for us, and then as we head into Thursday, those winds will start to decrease quite a bit. Super Doppler 8 showing the snow and the rain that moved through just a few hours ago, now pushing well off the coast as it races away. We do have an upper level disturbance just to our northwest. It's going to swing through this morning and could produce a few snow showers or snow flurries, maybe even a couple sprinkles, and you can see it is moving to the southeast, so that'll clip us this morning. And then once that moves on to the east, we'll see those skies brightening up nicely. Here's a look at our predictor showing we're going to see our winds persistently out of the north-northwest, a very tight pressure gradient with high pressure just situated north of the Great Lakes for the next couple of days. But I do expect sunshine with those blustery conditions. It's just going to be noticeably pretty chilly. On Thursday, though, it starts to calm down a little bit, and here's our next storm system that comes in Friday into Saturday. Temperatures stay below average for the next 10 days, especially as we get into the weekend and early next week. Temperatures well below average with another storm system we'll be watching on Monday. Here's a look at the roadways if you're getting ready to head out.